Yep, guess what I'm doing? I'm doing a mural. Yes, I'm doing a mural for a prominent airline in a place that is not Sydney, but I'll tell you more later. So here we are, this is day 2. We've had to scrub back the wall with bricks, and then we spack filled it, and then was sanding, but the spack filler kept coming out, so we've reset the spack filler. You can see we've painted around the background colour, around the spack filler. And hopefully in a few minutes when I start to sand it again, the spack filler stays, otherwise we're up in deep doo-doo. Simon, my very, very accomplished mural master, is coming in shortly to help me set this up. I'll be painting it over the next few days, so keep an eye on my Facebook and Instagram to see the results. It's a very corporate inspired royal entity. That's all I'm going to say. There it is, the wall. Well, here we are, day 2, finally getting the paint on the sealed area. Let's all go from here. Well, that's it. The engine and the logo are now complete. Look at that beautiful propeller. Beautiful. Now I gold-plated all the writing tonight on that. And I've been touching up around the engine where things needed touching up and all that. And now when you look up there, the next step, and right up in the roof, it's pretty hard to see, about there's the flag. I'm going to be drawing the flagpole and all that, and hopefully getting that painted in tonight, or some of it tonight. Just waiting on some prints to come through so I can have a close look at the flagpole. So I'm up the flagpole on this. 8 days to do the engine. Probably 10-hour days, 80 hours. It's a thankless but very satisfying task. Keep an eye on what's happening, and I'll be back with more of the engine. Had to bring in the big guns tonight. Here we are, day 9, I think, of the mural. Slow painter, but it is a work of fine art on a rough wall. So I had to get the Genie GS2646 in here to lift me up to the roof, or nearly the roof, to put in the flag. Yes, we're putting in the flag. The flagpole is loosely based around the Parliament House flagpole. That'll give you some indication as to where I'm working. Top secret location for a top secret airline. And it's still pedal to the metal as we go. This has been a long process. We started talking about it in October. So as you can imagine, I'm glad to, actually I can see the end, but everyone around me is going, when's it gonna finish? It's gonna finish when it's finished. Okay, back to it. There we are, the Genie on location. I wish it was like Genie. Genie! Guess what this is gonna be? Well, it's not gonna be the main, but part of something blue, something borrowed, something blue. Well, here we go again. This could be the last day of the construction of this beautiful mural behind me. And I'm looking forward to seeing it all done and what happened next. What happens next? Here it is, beautiful. A lot of work in this, fine artwork on a rough wall. Can't beat it. It's a challenge, but you've got to get over those challenges. See you later. Well, here we go. It's done. This thing behind me, that's a mural. I've started on this on the 26th of February, and now it's midnight on the 18th of March. Mind you, I was doing 4 days on that, then going home, doing 4 days on my archboard. So please enjoy this beautiful thing, because I've loved doing it. There you have it.